Here we go, y'all, part 2. Okay. Now, I'm at work, about to finish up what I started earlier, okay? Whew. The same seafood, my leftovers, but I got my sauce here. Oop, don't want to dump it. Let's see. My butter garlic spicy sauce with onions and garlic. Yes, you know, you gotta do it up. Ooh. Get it in, get it in. Why it's hot, why it's hot. I don't like no cold seafood. Ooh, this is hot. Nice and juicy. I just don't know. Yes. Got that slap your mama spicy in there. If you know about that, you know what I'm talking about. Woo. Oh yes, baby. Oh yeah, I got this drink here. Got sparkling water. No sugar. But it's good. Well, this is a reach here. I'll tell you. My arm is starting to hurt already. Ooh. There's no way to do it but to do it. You know what I'm saying? Can't look pretty and eat no seafood bowl. No, you can't. Not if you want to enjoy it. When I tell you, it is hot down here. Here in Minnesota. It is no joke. And it's not just the heat, it's the humidity. Lord Jesus. So if y'all see me looking off, like I told you, I'm at work. So, even though I'm on my, what you call a break, we don't really have one. But, this is the time I eat. I normally eat around 5 o'clock, you know. It's like the less busy time. So that's why I choose to eat around this time. But I still can get interrupted. You know how that goes. when you're the only staff on. You gotta do what you do. Here goes somebody. Yep. These here claws be some difficult sometimes. Trying to hit all them pockets. Made me want to say forget it. Told you I don't like to work too hard for my food. That's like eating meat. I don't like thick meat. I hate some thick meat. None of these meats want to just come out today. I don't know what's up. Did they overcook this stuff or what? Like, why is it not cooperating? You know, I just want to eat. I just want to eat. Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, y'all. Do you feel me? You understand the work I'm going through right now? I wish I can taste my butter. It's actually butter, lemon, garlic, onion, spicy. The bomb. When I tell you, that's the bomb. Yes, it is. Cut. Like, what you waiting on? Ooh. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, and I have very tender hands. So I can't be cutting, peeling. I ain't got them type of hands. Something pokes me, I'm done. I ain't finna keep poking you, letting you poke on me. Look at this. This thing is strong. Ooh, Jesus. Are we gonna fight? Fight to get you out? You owe me. I paid for you. You know what I'm saying? So get on up out of here. I paid for your butt. don't need no problems. Give me what I paid for. Okay, here we go. It's not gonna do it. Ooh, am I just weak or what? Ooh. Why this stuff can't just be deshelled? Okay? Can I just get it and go? That's what I would like. Not go through all this. Just to eat my food. That's not fair. I hope I'm not getting myself dirty. I ain't even paying attention to what I'm dropping on me. I'm just trying not to drop nothing on this keyboard. I ain't thinking about my clothes. No, I'm not. So I was having a conversation with somebody, well, actually my daughter and my niece, and they was talking about manifesting things to the universe. Oh, here comes somebody. If I get quiet, because somebody done came down here. Matter of fact, let me give him his cigarette. Hold on. Okay. So when I get quiet, somebody's coming, okay? Just know the drill. But anyways, they were talking about manifesting. Things from the universe. We're just gonna chill for a minute. I'm gonna let this person grab their cigarette and then I'll resume with my conversation. What? Oh, it is.
Chicken.
Seafood?
Oh, seafood. I like seafood.
Ooh.
That's one of the red lobster.
goodness. Don't want to come out. So anyways, we was talking about manifesting through the universe. And everything I do, pretty much I go back to God. So I feel like this, my theory, my thoughts, not theory, but my thoughts and belief is that why do you need to ask the universe for nothing when God is the one who created the universe? So, to me, asking the universe is like asking the devil. Because God gave the Lucifer the world for so much time. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. But this is my understanding. So why in the world would I need to ask the universe when I can ask my Heavenly Father who created it? You know? What do I need to manifest anything for when I can go to God? Just like I'm not supposed to be eating this seafood, but as you know, I'm not perfect. You know? One day I gotta get out of my system. God has to take this desire away because I just be wanting it. Just as well as cigarettes and, you know, I'm working to work. Well, I'm not working. I'm waiting on God to help me. You know, certain things you gotta just be delivered from because you're not strong enough to do it by your own. And that's one of them. That's one of them. Oh, wait. Now you got a black shirt on. Because I'm tearing it up. Sloppy face and all. I don't care because I'm too busy enjoying to even think about what I done look like. To think about how my breath don't stink from this garlic. I do have some gum with me that we'll be putting in the mouth. Okay? But sometimes you just gotta eat happy. And this one of them times. I just gotta eat happy. For you people that don't know about these potatoes, and some butter garlic sauce, better learn. Potatoes in the corn on the cob, I ain't got no boiled eggs, but them be the bomb too. Yes, they do. So good. Ooh. This is pretty enough. Pretty a lot. It took me 2 servings to eat it. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I can finish all of it. We're gonna have to wait and see. What my stomach tell me. That's why I had to hurry and eat that potato and corn to make sure I could get it in. I don't even know what my face looked like. It's too dark in the camera. I can't even see my face. You feel me? Too dark. Too dark in the camera. Put it up. Ooh, Jesus. Quit bugging me, people, right now. That's the only thing I don't like about this job. You just can't take a break. Ooh, excuse me. Because you're the only staff. Anyways. I've been on here for 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my meal and I'm gonna say goodbye to you all. Okay? Because I expect more interruptions. And I can't keep touching this camera with my hands like this. So, ooh. So, God bless. Goodbye.